Hey, how's it going? The MOFI-Grado-PH-1 Phono Amplifier came in. Figured we'd unbox it and have a quick boo at it. I'm not going to put it together in this video, but we'll have a look at it. Let's see. It's going to take to open this. This is from AliExpress. I'll leave a link in the description for it if you're interested in one. This comes unassembled, so you're going to have some experience working with electronics to get this to work. And there's no PDF or instructions. You basically got to go off the board. Hopefully this silk screening is half decent. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's not bad. It's legible. Yep. 1000 UF, 4K. Yeah, all the... It's totally legible. You'd have to use something like this to see it, though. Let's see what else we got here. Some decent caps. Audio filer, 400 volt, 4.7 UF. Two of those. There's our IC there. And you can chip roll this, which I definitely will be doing to play around with it. There's a tiny rectifier. I'll have to look up at the transformer size for this. A couple of FETs. These are 1000 UF made by they're no name. You could upgrade those. And these made by KZM. Once again, you can replace these with audio grade. Would make it even better, which I'm pretty sure I have. Got some standoffs, an orange LED, and then you got your resistors, which you would basically, they're not labeled, which would be cool if they were. What I do off camera is I usually measure them off and then write the value on the sticker. It makes it easier to build it. Of toggle switches. I believe there's two of them. Yeah, it's down there. Cool. Everything is there. And that was, I believe it was like 15 bucks. So definitely worth it. Take it easy.